Our India, the cradle of the human race, the birthplace of the human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legends, and the great grandmother of tradition. India is a land of sages, known for bravery for ages. None can with it compete, its culture none can beat. Many caste and religion, but all live here in unison. Rivers and fountains, it is a land of high mountains. Its green forests are pretty and source of our prosperity. It's for it. Work hard. Its safety. We on guard. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. I, Arya Lodha, the student of 4th C, is going to recite a poem on patriotic theme named The Last Words of a Soldier. If I die in a war zone, box me up and send me home. Put my medals on my chest. Tell my mom I did my best. Tell my dad not to bow. He won't get tension from me now. Tell my bro to study perfectly. Key of my bike is his permanently. Tell my sister not to get upset. Her bro will take a long sleep after sunset. Tell my nation not to cry. Because I am a soldier born to die. Thank you. Have a nice day. Vande Mataram.
Hello friends, I am Anya Jain of class 4C. Today I will present a poem on my favorite Olympic process. So here goes the poem. When all the world weeps in sorrow, India can wake up to a new tomorrow. She can rise steadily from the dawns, traveling to prosperity without any bumps. Her people can struggle to attain their goals, all of them excelling in their specific roles. And from the period of uncertain doom, her economy will attain an everlasting bloom. Unemployment and poverty will be forgotten terms. Success will be familiar with her companies and firms. Her army will be the most feared force, although it shall pursue a peaceful course. Let us bring to that joyous day when Indians' policies the world shall obey. Her designs of humanity will then unfold. Even mud will shine as bright as gold. No tears will enter or flow down again, for gone will be human suffering and pain. If such a regulation ever takes place, we shall become an admired race. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Everyone, let our flag always fly high by Shyamlal Gupta, who inspired to free India from the clutches of British. Let our flag always fly high. It shows strength always. It oozes out love and nectar. It gives pride to the brave. It is the heart and mind of the motherland. Let our flag always fly high. In the intense battle for independence, it gives joy to every moment. The enemy trembles after seeing it. Our fear and danger goes away. Let our flag always fly high. Under this flag, we are fearless and our intention is the birth of Swaraj. Shout, Jai for Bharat Mata. Now our aim is independence. Let our flag always fly high. Come, beloved waves, come. Sacrifice everything for our nation. In one voice, Sing together. Beloved is our nation Bharat. Let our flag always fly high. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Daniel. I gave my life to nature when I was born. Come in many situations, I defied the zone. I idolized my soldier with love in every beat. The track on their shoulder, passengers my blood to breathe. Future I told you, reach and close. My India is my pride. Thank you.
Morning, ma'am. My name is Jishika Mehta. I study in 4th. Now I present a poem on my India is my pride. I pledged my life to nation right when I was born. Come if Massachusetts, I will fight the reigning storm. I idolize my soldier with love in every breath. The tricolor on their shoulder was fashioned in my blood. To brighten up its future, I told day and night, diverse and rich in culture, my India is my pride. I love my India. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Jasmine Lamba. My class is 4th C. I love my India. I am proud my India. India is a big country. India is better than all world. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. My name is Satya Gupta from class 4th C. On this Independence Day, we remember the year past. We honor this very day for our flag full glory has touched on this Independence Day 2 centuries ago. We declared our independence for justice and liberty. Let us celebrate with joy and honesty. Happy Independence Day.
I, Garvit Gandhi, student of class 4C, presenting a patriotic poem. For the title of my poem is Our Country. Our country is land of sages, known for bravery of ages. Its culture none can be beat. Whatever caste or religion, all lives here in unison with river, sweet mountain. Its green forests are pretty and are sources of property. It's let for its work hard for its safety, be on guard. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sashi Sama. I am the student of class 4C. Today I am speaking a poem on patriotic theme. I pledge my life to nation right when I was born. Come with my situation, I will fight this raging storm. I idolize my soldiers with love in every breed. The tricolor on their shoulders fills passion in my blood. To bright up its future, I will toil day and night. Diverse and rich in culture, my India is my pride. Thank you everyone.